I want to share with you today a language arts DIY idea for your classroom. So these DIY books, these are super simple to make. I like using the 5x8 note cards just because they're a little bit bigger. I order them from Amazon. You can kind of get them in bulk and they don't have the lines on the back. Those are just a lot easier to make books with. I really like making these books because I can focus on specific sight words that my students need help with, or just to add more books to my library. I know sometimes finding those easy readers for the kids, especially in those level 1s and 2s, is really hard. And sometimes the struggle is real. We don't have extra money to go out and buy books. And if you don't have a Reading A to Z subscription, sometimes you just don't have a lot of options. So I have started making my own. I like books, especially for the beginning of the year. That's always a really tough word in kinder. I use dot stickers. I also get these on Amazon. You can get like, I think it's like 2,000 or 3,000 is the pack that I got, and it was like $9. And there's a ton of colors. And I just go through and basically it's the I like on every page and I change the color. And then I did 2 separate books like that with obviously different colors in them. And I use the color all throughout the book for that picture support. You can also do this if you have any character stickers. Like my kids love Mickey Mouse, and so I did a Mickey book. 1 Mickey, 2 Mickeys, 3 Mickeys. It goes all the way to 5. You could do this with whatever characters your kids are into. You could do it with like a fall theme, a Christmas theme, you know, whatever season it is. You can make so many books with that. I did one about the zoo. I had some animal stickers. They love animals. So there's just different types of animals in here. And again, I have the picture on every page for support. I did the same thing with pets. And then I also have the same thing with farm animals. And the kids just really, really like reading these, especially if you tell them that you made them. It makes it kind of special. You can also print pictures of yourself, and you could have like showing yourself, like I would put my name on the front, Mrs. Morris, and then on the inside like Mrs. Morris can walk, Mrs. Morris can run, Mrs. Morris can drive, and just different pictures of yourself doing different activities. The kids love those books. I unfortunately did not bring one of those home to show you, but those are also really popular with the kids. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, please like, subscribe, and comment below. I hope you found this video useful and you can use these DIY books in your classroom. We'll see you guys soon.